Hi guys, we're on a 2008 Forester, 06, 7, 8, all the same. We have customers looking for this fender, so we're gonna go take this fender off because apparently they damaged theirs. I'm assuming one of you guys might have damaged yours, hit a deer, hit a something, whatever. So I'm sure you guys how to take this fender off. Unfortunately, this video I will not be putting the parts back on the car, so let's start. First thing first, got to get the bumper out of the way. There's a couple clips up here. These guys out of the way. And I'm only going to take the bumper off halfway. There's just clips I'm going to throw up here because I'm just going to pull it off like this so we can just get to the fender. There's these tents right here. One, two that you can see visibly. There's a bolt that goes here. Apparently someone didn't put a bolt when they took their headlight, you know. If you look over there, there's a bolt. There's supposed to be a bolt here. So, Jesus, this car's been hacked. Come around this way. I don't know what they put. This fender's been taken off before and put back on. There's a, looks like he pushes back. There's a, on this car at least. Oh man, this is gonna suck. Okay. Looks like someone put a number 8 to hold that there. Let's go ahead and remove this cladding right here. If you know, this thing is just glued in there, popped on. There's clips here that hold it, but these 3 clips, it's supposed to be there, but they're not. So someone took them out. Behind here, right here, there's another bolt for the fender. If you go ahead and pull this out of the way, it's a little clip that sits right here. Someone's probably taking off before. It's got a little bit of double-sided tape sitting right here. It'll come off, but now you can see there's a 10 bolt right here. Looks like someone's put this on before. It's all rusted. Now, open the door. Right here, see that number 10 missing? It's supposed to be 10 right here. The one that didn't put it back on. Take that 10 out. You can probably get in here with a, you know, like that, pull it out, or get a ratchet and ratchet it from here. Take that bolt out. Now, we've gotten everything pretty much loose on the fender side. I gotta grab a number 8 to get to this bolt here because someone didn't do the correct. I think it's supposed to be a clip in there and they put a screw in there. So let me go get number 8 real quick. This is what you get when you take a car to a shop and they hack your car up. Like, this doesn't even belong on the car. So with that said, peel the bumper back. Someone stuck another number 10 bolt on this side. I mean, you can stick a number 10 in that, but it's not the right stuff to put in there. You're supposed to actually have a clip instead of this bolt. So the bumper's now loose. Pull the bumper over, slide down like this so I can get to the headlight. So to remove the headlight, there's a 10 here. Man, there's one more 10 here. Man, what a rig job this car is. And then come back here, I'm going to show you there's one more 10 right here. Oh my God. Lord have mercy. Take that 10 out. Headlight should come out now. Should. There's a white clip right here. I don't know if can you see it? Zoom in right here. Right here, you see it? Yeah. There's a pin up at the top. And then there's one that's a... There we go. That's how you remove the headlight. Now, there's one bolt right here. It's number 10. Sits right here. Take that out. Now the fender's completely loose. Okay. Then you'll lift up on the fender. And this thing used to be blue at one point. Came out for yard somewhere, but there it is.